not end this campaign today. And nagaputa, this is a culminating activity. We should continue this campaign for the whole year. Your officials of La Trinidad are supportive of the campaign to end violence. If only one child, even if only one child, even if only one woman will be saved by this hotline, the efforts will be worth it.
So violence against women is never acceptable. Ang tayo magtatanong, madali nakita tayo, tulungan tayo. And then every women and children deserves to live a life free from fear, harm, and discrimination.